Hi, this is Greg from On-Site Storage Solutions. Today we had a new one-trip 40-foot high cube delivered.
Welcome to On-Site Storage Solutions YouTube channel. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you the exciting process of delivering a shipping container to one of our valued customers. From the initial inquiry to the final delivery, you'll see how we ensure everything runs smoothly and meets the highest standards. It all starts with an inquiry. A customer reaches out to us with their specific requirements. They let us know what type of shipping container they need, the destination, and their delivery timeline. We gather all the necessary details to provide the best solution for their needs. Next, we provide a quotation. This includes the type of container, whether it's dry, refrigerated, or open top, the size, and any additional services like insurance and handling. We ensure that our quotes are competitive and tailored to each customer's needs. Once the customer agrees to the quote, they book the container. This step involves providing detailed information about the shipment and any special requirements they might have. We then confirm the booking and schedule the container's availability. It's a seamless process to ensure everything is set for the next steps.
You'll be able to go straight out. Okay, thank you. The door will open up. Sure.
Now it's time for container preparation. We inspect the container to ensure it meets all quality and safety standards. Any necessary cleaning or maintenance is performed to ensure the container is in perfect condition for loading. With the container ready, we carefully load it onto a truck for delivery. Our logistics team coordinates the delivery to ensure the container reaches the customer's location on time and in perfect condition. And there you have it, another successful delivery. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is what drives us every day. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you have any questions or need a shipping container, feel free to contact us. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more behind-the-scenes content and updates. You may also visit our website at onsitestorage.com or give us a call at 888-977-9085. Again, this is Greg from On-Site Storage Solutions, delivering excellence one container at a time.